So this is the cutest little watering can ever. It's a beautiful little porcelain bird. It's made to look aged with kind of an off-white on the finish. And then here is where you hold it, where his tail would be. Here's where you put the water, and then the water comes out of his mouth. So you fill it up and you water. You fill it up and you water. Is that the cutest thing ever? So this is the perfect watering can for your indoor plants. Now, even if you're not going to use it as a watering can, it's super cute and you can just use it in your decorating. But I do think in a lot of cases there's one or two plants that we love to have on the inside. Maybe it's in the windowsill in your kitchen, maybe it's on the island, maybe you're growing herbs, whatever it happens to be. But this is the sweetest little watering can ever. And if you know anyone who loves to have plants inside, this is the perfect gift. If you know anyone who loves birds, this is the perfect gift. But I just think it's the sweetest thing ever.